In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva newsletters in Mailchimp. First, open Mailchimp.com and sign in. From your dashboard, head to the Integrations section. In the search bar, type Canva, then choose the Canva integration and select Connect. A quick authorization window will appear so the two accounts can talk to each other, confirm the prompts, and you're done. This one-time link streamlines your workflow so you don't have to download and upload files every time you create a newsletter. Now switch over to canva.com and create your newsletter design. You can start from a newsletter template or build your own from a blank page. Keep your layout clean and email friendly. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and brand colors with good contrast for readability. Keep important information near the top and make sure any images are high quality but not oversized so emails load quickly on mobile and desktop. When your design looks right, go to the top right corner in Canva and click Share. In the sharing panel, click See All to reveal the full list of export and publishing options. Find the messaging category and click See All there as well. Choose Mailchimp from the list. If prompted, confirm you're using the correct Mailchimp account, then click Sync with Mailchimp. Canva will send your design straight to Mailchimp as content you can place in an email. Give it a moment to finish. Larger designs may take a few seconds. Return to Mailchimp and start creating your email. Choose the newsletter option to set up a standard campaign. For the layout, select Basic Layout. This gives you a simple, flexible structure that works well with a Canva design while keeping your text blocks, buttons, and dividers easy to edit. Add your usual campaign details like the audience, the from name, and a clear subject line that matches your content and sets expectations. Place your synced Canva design where it belongs in the body. In the editor, look for the Canva or Content Studio option to insert what you just synced. You can keep the layout minimal so the design stands out, or add supporting text, links, and a call to action below the visual if you prefer. Take a moment to scan for spacing, alignment, and mobile readability before sending. A quick check for link accuracy and concise copy can make a big difference. When everything is ready, click Send. Your Canva design newsletter will go out through Mailchimp with tracking, scheduling, and analytics handled just like any other campaign. That's it, your Canva creativity powered by Mailchimp delivery.